everyone, thanks for joining me. I am so glad to have my voice back and chatting to you today. So I'll be showing you how I make my oatmeal bath bomb. Recipe is at the end of this video. I've added also a timestamp if you want to jump ahead. So let's go. As always, I use my three-step approach to making bath bombs: dry ingredients, wet ingredients, and then citric acid. But in this recipe, I am replacing some of the corn flour with finely ground oatmeal, also known as colloidal oats. And the reason why I'm using the oatmeal, because oatmeal is known to help dry and itchy skin, so I think it is super nice to have it in a bath. For the fragrance, I use rosewood essential oil and benzoin dilution. This blend creates sort of very nice and toffee-like scent, which I absolutely love. A few tips about making your own colloidal oats is make sure that you grind the oats into the finest possible powder, because when oatmeal is suspended in bath water, you maximize your skin's exposure to it, and of course you get all the niceness that comes from the oats. If you are wondering about my bath bomb mold, I buy them here in South Africa from a company called Bathbomb molds. I left all the links for you at the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. To create a caramel color for bath bomb icing, I use gold mica from Riverly. And we are done for today, so thanks for joining me and Rusalka Soap Studio. And there's a recipe coming just now. Let me know if you've got any questions and I'll gladly help you out. And enjoy the day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.